Oh yeah, gotta get that little bang action going. I'm acting like I'm looking at a flip out screen, but I don't got one on this camera, bruh. Hey man, real quick, gang shit. Hey dad, mom wants to know when you're paying my child support. See more butts. Never. Alright man, what's up and what's Gucci in your Gucci YouTube, the World Wide Web. As you guys can see in full life HD, it's your host with the most, the Thrift God. Paul Cantu, back you guys with a brand new video. Now today I have a very special unboxing. I was blessed and extremely pleasantly surprised to walk home to this 100% Pratt recycled cardboard box. Bruh.
We are the world. We are the children.
So essentially, man, today I have a very hyped on unboxing. It's extremely crazy and yet wavy, and this is a box sent to me from the fine folks at StockX. So yeah man, it's just kind of like a middleman resource. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of it, but essentially man, if you guys are selling any shoes, DSing this bitch, then you send them to them, they sell them, you get your money, they ship it to the person, you ain't gotta worry about getting scammed if you're on the other side of the equation.
Quick maths.
So basically it's a dope place to buy shoes or sell shoes. Either way, check it out if you guys have not heard of it. The link is in the description, but this box is straight hitting. Now you guys know, I am the Thrift God, and I barely ever buy new product, but when I do, I have to bring out Trish, the blonde hair bitch. Mwah! I love you so much, baby. And yeah, let's go ahead and just cut this up and see what is inside. So yeah, as I said, man, I rarely ever will be caught purchasing new products. However, I had to make an exception in these streets for this heat because these are some pure thrift fire and so relevant to my life and interest. So let's go ahead and just slide deep inside. You dig? Oh. Alright guys, so oh shit man. I feel like I made the reveal too obvious. As you guys can see by the box, this is a little something, you know what I'm saying? It's a little something special in this biatch. Now, I know that a lot of you guys have seen these shoes. You guys probably know what they are based off the box, but there is definitely a reason why I chose these kicks aside from the hype. But let's go ahead and just give you guys a brief little example of what's inside, alright? So this is the More Air. You guys know the Deshaun Witherspoons. Yeah man, it has a ton of literature right here, but you guys know I cannot read. I'm extremely uneducated. And on the inside you have all these little Nike logos on the nice little covering of the kick. So once you move that little tissue paper to the side, oh my Lord have mercy, you guys can get that first-hand glance your damn self. Holy guacamole, these are crazy. So that's right man, I got the Sean Witherspoon Air Maxes, and they are complete with the certified and verified authentic nice little insignia that is attached to the back of the heel tab of this kick. Now these shoes are extremely dope, not only because they are made by a fellow thrifter, or I guess someone who now is more just into the vintage game, but they also are vegan as fuck. Now I rarely ever talk about this because you guys don't like hearing it, y'all like flaming my bitch ass, but essentially man, a lot of the reason why I don't show off new shoes is because they're leather products. I don't like purchasing and consuming new leather, so the fact that these are made of corduroy is absolutely exquisite. Now the nice little colors as well go with a ton of thrifted shit that your boy gets, and you guys know I'm like the antichrist of the hype beast on YouTube. That's why I don't like showing off a lot of the shit other people show off, just because I'm like, dude, the cheat code of life is live in the thrift, bruh. Like look at this shirt, man. This whole stripe, bruh. It got like burgundy, it got oceanic navy, and it even has the yellow that matches these perfectly. So that's what I'm saying, man. These shoes can go with just about anything that is found live and direct in the thrift. They are straight up wavy, and being made of corduroy, they not hurting no animals, which I definitely fuck with. And you know what? I don't care if you eat meat or suck meat, you know what I'm saying? I used to do that for like a good 20 years of my damn life as well.
Tripping.
Now getting into the details of the kick, you guys have seen them a million times. They've been all over Instagram, but I just have to show them off in hand. You have the Nike check atop the brown shit backdrop. You have this nice little teal joint in the nice forest green. You also have the little woo cocaine embroidery on the back. You have the straight up waviness on the tongue. And what a lot of people, I don't feel like, are talking about, if you guys don't have these in hand, is actually the interior, which is like a velour material. And oh my God, it is buttery and it is super soft. And there also is this orange tangerine looking too clean in this ting smiley face on the inside, which will provide extra cushioning. Now the bottoms of these are also lavish. It's like a wonderland of colors going on. And then they have the red air bubble. Now on feet, I can only imagine how these guys would look. So yeah, man, I'm really stoked to actually try these on, to rock them with an array of different things. And also am happy that Sean reached out to your boy, I guess in one way or another. We follow each other on the gram, and I posted some shit about being vegan because I was rocking a Mickey D's jacket. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so, because I be posting the most reckless ass dope photos up on that bitch. I am this shit. No, not really. But I do be posting some cool ass, troll ass photos. So if you guys would like to fuck with me, definitely do so. But I posted a photo wearing a McDonald's jacket, and I was on my little high horse slightly talking about why I don't eat at McDonald's anymore. Because trust me, I have, and I have relapsed at times being a vegan. I'm just gonna keep it $1.50 with you guys. I ain't perfect, but I'm trying to improve this planet. I'm trying to recycle clothes. I'm trying to fuck hoes, and I'm trying to suck these toes. But anyways, man, yeah, these are essentially the shoe. I'm extremely happy with them. Here's a nice little on feet first-hand glance. And yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed, check out StockX. If you guys didn't enjoy, check out StockX. Hey, but real talk though, I have to say, I am so appreciative of StockX for hooking your boy up with his sponsorship. That just goes to show that, honestly, bro, like, I remember watching Timothy Daylight Ghetto way back in the day. Way back. And I saw him getting hella free clothes, and I was just like, man, I would love to get anything for free, like as a YouTuber. And then I started making videos. Like somehow, like everything just took off and snowballed. I worked hard, and now I'm sitting here with a $700 pair of kicks in my hand that I paid absolutely nothing for. So that's really fucking sick. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, if you guys are interested in anything in the world, fishing, fishes get you hella bitches, tech, whatever the case may be, man. You make some videos about it if you're really into it. If you dedicate yourself to something, you can be rewarded handsomely. And I definitely am very stokedified, because that is now a verb, to have received these shoes, man, because these are absolutely crazy and they're wavy. So shout out StockX, check them out if you guys are interested. And shout out you guys, man, for real, dude. Without you guys, I could not be here.
We are the world. We are the children.
But yeah, man, so shout out Sean Witherspoon for the shoes. Shout out round 2. It's your boy Paul Can too, you dig? Signing out saying peace and love. I'll catch you guys next time. Live the dream and eat that vegan ice cream, you bitch.
Killing these songs, leaving them bloody like Parustu. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.